Children, good morning all of you. Today for class 12, ISC, CBSE and West Bengal Board also. Continuity part 5. That means you have already got 4 lessons. You must go through that lesson. Now please pay your attention on the board. First you have to remember this point. Continuity of a function in an interval. Part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. Part 1, f is said to be continuous in an open interval that is called bracket. If and only if f is continuous at every point. Part 2, f is said to be continuous in the closed interval that is third bracket. AB, that is if and only if f is continuous in the open interval. And part 2, it is continuous at A from the right and at B from the left. Part 3. F is said to be continuous, part 1, if and only if it is continuous at every point of its domain, and if the domain is a closed interval, that is AB, then F is continuous in AB, open interval, and right continuous at A and left continuous at B. Last part, domain of continuity. The set of all points where the function is continuous. The domain of continuity of a function may be a proper subset of the domain of the function. These are the points you have to remember. Now sums given from M.L. Agarwal's book, exercise 5.2, sum number 2, part 2. Examine the following function for continuity. We have to examine this is continuous or discontinuous. Please pay your attention on the solution. We know that domain, that is domain of f equal to r. Therefore, we have to examine f for continuity at all x belongs to r. Let C be any real number, then 3 cases arise. 3 cases arise. This is the model answer. Ishan and Jishnu, you must pay your full others also you must pay your full attention. Let C be any real number, then 3 cases arise. Case 1, if C less than 1, then FC equal to C plus 5. C plus 5, limit x tends to C, fx, that is x plus 5, C plus 5, that is equal to fc, implies f is continuous for all C less than 1. Case 2, C greater than 1 is the less than greater than. Then fc equal to C minus 5, C minus 5, then limit x tends to C, fx equal to x minus 5. By putting the value, we are getting C minus 5, that is fc. fc implies f is continuous. f is continuous for all C greater than 1. Case 3, that is C equal to 1. Less than, greater than and equal to 1. Then f1 equal to 1 plus 5 that is 6. Limit x tends to, that is left, minus x equal x, that is limit x minus x tends to minus x plus 5. Value of x, that is 1 plus 5, that is 6, that is f6. Implies f is continuous at x equal to 1 from left. What? X from right. Limit x tends to right, x minus 5 equal to minus 4. That is minus 4 not equal to function 6. These are not equal to. Implies f is discontinuous at x equal to 1 from right. That means therefore f has discontinuity at x equal to 1. It follows that f is discontinuous at x equal to 1 and continuous at all other points. So examine, we have to, f is continuous? No, f is not a continuous function. The logic you have to understand clearly. Okay, Ishan, I think you are following attentively and you are understanding also. Okay, thank you everyone.